Hi, so welcome back to my channel Lingua Serbia. So today I will finally start with these lessons of Serbian for you. So it was a time to begin. So the first one is hello, zdravo, or hi, ciao. This is in Serbian Cyrillic writing, and this is in, well, Croatian Latin. For those who don't have Serbian Cyrillic, they can use Latin also. It's not a big deal. So hello, zdravo is for to greet anyone. Ciao is same as hi. You will say that to your friends, to your family. Like you won't say to your professor ciao, you will say zdravo, or for example dobar dan. It means dobar dan. Dobar dan in literal translation means good day, but in English it doesn't exist, that greeting, so I don't know how should I translate that. Well, good evening is dobro veče. Evening is veče in Serbian. You can use dobar dan as before. You can use that before noon, afternoon. Usually it's used as good afternoon, for example, but also you won't say good morning, dobro jutro. You won't say that when it's already 10 a.m. You will say dobar dan instead. So the next one is dobro jutro, good morning. Then the next one is good night, laku noć. It's not dobru noć, but laku noć. Laku noć in the sense of have an easy night, like sleep well, but sleep well would be lepo spavaj. That one I don't have prepared, but it will be in some of the next greetings, in some of the next basic sentences for Serbian. Then we have welcome. There are 4 ways to say, but it's okay to say dobrodošli. It is for plural, masculine, but it also includes if there are few men and one woman, or one man, few women. Dobrodošli is most used. So as you can see, I explained which one is for which. Dobrodošao is for when a male guest comes. Dobrodošla when some woman comes to your guests. Dobrodošle is for when only women come. So then the next one is goodbye, doviđenja, or you can say ciao, but that one is used only with friends and family. So you won't say to your professor or to your boss ciao, but you will say do widzenia. Then we have two more that are very important. It's see you soon, vidimo se uskoro, and see you later, vidimo se kasnije. You can use them both formal, informal, family, friends, boss, professors, anyone. So these one are very useful too. Vidimo se uskoro and vidimo se kasnije. And that would be all. And one reminder about these words: morning, jutro, jutro, day, dan, dan, evening, veče, veče, and night, noć, noć. So that would be all for this lesson of Serbian. One of the next ones will be about feelings, how to express your feelings, like when you're hungry or you're angry or you're sad, disappointed, and all of that. So see you in the next video. Vidimo se. Ciao.